Okurugerera ahari Dr. Bosco Muhangi orokora nka District Health Officer wa Kisoro obushagiki bwa gavumenti kiheereza amaani amarwariro nka Bushanza Health Center ya Kana na Kisoro Hospital bwanyuma ya gavumenti okwombeka ebintu eby'omurembe nka intensive care units.
Twagizeho umwanya wo kuganira mu office, uyu mwanya wo kuja mu field. Twagiye Busanza irwaro riri ku rwego rwa 4 mu structure zacu, ariko niryo rwariro twari dufite kuri urwo rwego ridafite ishemerezo aho bashemerezaga. So turi gushima government cyane ku buryo
Nobwe bibirabe biri bityo Dr. Muhangi nagira ngo Kisoro ahabo kuba hehi n'amahanga gane nka Kongo hamwe na Rwanda netunga abantu nyamwingi abari kushera obuhereza bw'ebyamagara no barabe mbaba batatekatekerwe
kugira ngo twegeranye ibihugu bibiri y'u Rwanda na DRC. N'umugisha wo kugira ngo twebwe tumeze neza, bagenzi bacu bashoboye kuza aho turi kugira ngo babone ibyo buhereza, bagiye ku biryo turyaho, bakoresha imiti dukoresha. Ariko nyine ibyo nabyo bizana ingaruka zo kugira ngo ibyateguriwe maybe abanyagihugu usange bibaye bikeya.
Martin Hakizimana urukansara w'egomboro rya Muramba aha district kandi urusekretari w'ebyamagara asemera ekitongore ky'ebyamagara abo kuteka sente obyamagara okurabira omukombeka amarwariro hamwe no kuhandika no kushashura abashaho ekyari kugira ngo nikitumbura ebyobuhereza bw'ebyamagara ombyangemwe ebyengendambi omuri Kisoro.
Nka x-ray machine ntabwo yari yashigikirwa neza ngo itangire gukora, ariko batwijeje ko mu gihe gikwiriye cyavuba iratangira gukora. Theater ati Busanza iyo iratangira icumweru gitaha kuko abakozi bose abari batahari.
Okurugerera Dr. John Paul Bagara uri Assistant Commissioner mu Ministry y'Amagara irware rya Bushanza Health Center ya Kana naryo ndija kutunga ebyombeko by'omurembe hotireho n'ebyoma by'amani ekintu ekiretira abantu becyangeke okutunga obuhereza bw'ebyamagara eby'omurembe.
Within the sector, and we realized that Kisoro was not performing well on a number of issues. So, and that was, information that we had also received from the district, from the regional referral hospital, which is covered. So whenever as government we receive that information, we do what we call targeted supervisions.
Okurugerera Dr. Bagara bwanyuma yo kwombeka ebintu by'omurembe ahirwareri government neja kwongera omubaro gw'abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa ahirwareri nkagumwa ha muringo gwo kushongera ebyobuhereza hamwe n'ebyamagara.
That still there are some challenges still at Busanza, and one, it's an infrastructure challenge which we've realized. The patients are there, but the staffing also was a challenge. As government, we've recruited more staff through our district local government.
Abahango kurwo Minisitiri w'Ebyamagara ababiri batayayire mu district egi basimira abakozi b'irwariro erya Kisoro General Hospital abo kwehayo kuhereza abantu no barabe batunga abantu bengi.
We appreciate our people that they are taking advantage of the government services and they are coming to the facilities. The numbers in Kisoro General Hospital have increased, and now we are working very strongly to ensure that the lower facilities are functioning.
Bo abari kutunga obuhereza ahirwareri erya Bushanza Health Center ya Kana nibagira ngu obuhereza bukabire buri burungi konka nibacererwa kubutunga ko bari kwija ahirwareri.
Kongera abasaho babe benshi bashobore kutuyamba vuba
kugira ngo batraininge bose babone kugira imbaraga. Training
abarakoresha za
computer
ngo barisigire tabota barishini
Makuru gashakwa Adonia Tuheire omuri Kisoro.